Welcome everyone. Today we are here to discuss 10 highly profitable and low-cost startup ideas from paper. Paper crafts are increasingly popular as handmade products for online selling due to their unique charm and personal touch. They cater to a diverse audience looking for customized, eco-friendly options. Creators can easily showcase their creativity while tapping into niche markets, making it a profitable venture on platforms like Etsy. Here you go.
Paper bouquets look delicate, but they sell longevity and design. This is a custom gift and event decor business. Startup cost stays low. Specialty paper, wire stems, adhesives, tools, under $400 to begin. One bouquet costs $4 to $8 to make. Finished bouquets sell for $30 to $120, depending on size and detail. Weddings, anniversaries, home decor, no wielding, no waste. The value isn't paper. It's greeting cards look simple, but they sell emotion and timing. This is a repeat purchase paper business. Startup cost stays low. Cardstock, printing, cutting tools, envelopes, under $300 to start. One card costs 50 cents to $1 to produce. Custom or premium cards sell for $5 to $15 each. Birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, holidays. Demand never stops. The value isn't paper. It's design, words, and pay. Origami jewelry looks lightweight, but it's a design-driven fashion business. Paper folded into form, sealed for durability, priced as art. Startup cost stays minimal. Specialty paper, sealants, findings, tools, under $300 to begin. One piece costs under $2 to make. Finished jewelry sells for $25 to $90, depending on design and branding. The value isn't paper, it's craftsmanship. Quilled art looks delicate, but it's a precision decor business. Paper strips, patience, high perceived value. Startup cost stays low. Paper strips, tools, glue, frames, under $250 to begin. One artwork costs $3 to $6 to produce. Finished quill pieces sell for $40 to $150, depending on detail and framing. The profit isn't paper. It's design complexity and custom themes. Wall art. Scrapbooks look handmade, but they sell emotion and memory. This is a custom gift business, not stationery. Startup cost stays low. Paper, covers, adhesives, decorations, under $300 to begin. One scrapbook costs $5 to $8 to make. Custom scrapbooks sell for $30 to $120, depending on theme and personalization. Weddings, birthdays, baby milestones, travel memories, repeat orders come from life event. Paper lampshades look delicate, but they're a design-led decor business. Lightweight, customizable, visually striking. Startup cost stays low. Paper sheets, frames, adhesives, cutting tools, around $300 to $600 to begin. One lampshade costs $2 to $4 to make. Finished pieces sell for $25 to $80, depending on design and size. The profit isn't the material. It's light diffusion, pattern, and mood. Paper looks simple, but decor sells emotion. DIY paper decorations turn low-cost material into high-margin products. Startup cost is minimal. Paper sheets, cutting tools, adhesives, under $300 to begin. These items sell as party decor, wall art, and event styling. One piece costs cents to make, but sells for $8 to $25 depending on design. The profit isn't paper. It's creativity, themes, and press. Paper gift boxes look simple, but they sell presentation, not paper. This is a low-cost, high-margin packaging business. Startup cost is minimal. Cardstock, cutting tools, adhesive, under $400 to start small. One box costs under $1 to produce. Custom gift boxes sell for $5 to $20, depending on design and finish. The value is in design, size, and branding, weddings, corporate gifts. Handmade